Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to see how to make a PowerPoint presentation. Yes, the PowerPoint presentation which a student like me and student like you guys whoever are watching is useful for your college marks. As you do know, this PPT submission has some marks, and I do know that some of you have issues in making a PPT. So in this video we are going to see how to make a PowerPoint presentation in just 5 minutes. Yes, as you heard, in just 5 minutes. So let's dig into it. So first step is to go to this website, and I am recommending you to do this in a laptop or a PC. Don't do this in a mobile, as you do know that you have to see how the PowerPoint presentation is going to look on a full sheet. So recommending you to do this, or you can do it on mobile, obviously that's also possible. So yeah, first step is to go to this link slidesgo.com. So this link will be provided you in the description also. You can go there and go directly to the PowerPoint presentation this website. So first step is to press get started here. After that you have to choose a topic for your PowerPoint presentation. So for your presentation you can go with any type of topic whichever the teachers or whoever has given you. So next step is to select the writing tone. Writing tone can be unspecified, or if you need something like a professional, creative, or a casual, formal and fun type of writing tone, then you can do that. I'm going to go with the formal one. And language is most important. If you want your presentation in English, then you can go with that. If you want it in Hindi, then you have to change your language to Hindi. If you want it in Dutch, Portuguese, French, any types of language, whichever you see here, you can go with that. But for this video I'm going to go with English. And choose the number of slides, which how much ever you need it. I'm going to go with the 8. You can go with 20, 30, 10, 5, 1. And in style you have 6 types of style. So in that 6, select any one. So I am suggesting you to select professional, minimalistic. In this both you have to select, because this both has a good type of style, a good type of interface for your PPT. So I'm going to go with minimalist now and press generate presentation. So to generate presentation, it usually takes within a minute. Your presentation is going to be ready. So let's wait till then. So as you see, this is going to be the first page of this presentation. This is going to be the topic of our presentation, obviously. And you can add that it's by your name and the things. And this is going to be the second page, and the third page, fourth, fifth. As you're able to see that every page is customized differently with the theme of dark brown. So that theme suits this, as this topic is about India, and the theme is very good actually. And as you see, this presentation is actually simple presentation which is provided by AI. If you want like a more creative, more designery presentation, then you have to save this and make your own edits. So as you know that it is written by AI, so some of the words are not understandable by us, some of the words are just very unique for us. So I recommend you to go all over the ratings of the AI, make some edits, make some designs. Just edit this. Take this presentation of like a outline for your presentation. Take this as that, and then you can add major edits, major, just make it as colorful, as decorative as possible. Don't go for too much decor, as you do know too much is not good for it. So the next step is downloading this presentation. So to download it, you can just press this download button and choose any of these options. So you're asking me why there is not a PPT option. So this app doesn't has a PPT option, it has PDF and JPG option. But there is an option to convert PDF to PPT by just going to any PDF to PPT converter and just putting the PDF in that, and it will convert it to PPT. Then you can edit it in your PowerPoint. You can edit this everything in PowerPoint, so that's not an issue for you guys. So this is going to be the end of this video. Hope you had some information on how to create PPT now, and you can create your PPT and projects for your colleges now, and hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please provide a thumbs up, and if you love this video, consider subscribing to our channel. And as you know, you can comment down in the comment section below any suggestions, anything you want in the next video. I'm going to read every comment. So thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.